brakes to now take off with our display takeoff coming from the left-hand side. At the front, reds 1, 2 and 3, followed by reds 4 and 5, and at the back 6, 7, 8 and 9.
With the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team for 2016, it's Renault! The aircraft flows to about 2 meters apart as they climb, slowing down to about 150 miles per hour at the top of this boot. You can see now they have formed our trademark Diamond 9 shape in this boot. Leading the team, you can hear his voice there, is Red 1 squadron leader David Montenegro, and it's his second year as the team's leader. David is a former Tornado